Welcome to JITOOL. Today we will demonstrate the disassembly of the JITOOL JCN70. For safety, please be sure to wear goggles and gloves, and disconnect the air hose attached to the product to release the air. After releasing the air, please remove FE fasteners from the product. The disassembly order will be magazine, valve set, cap, internal cylinder parts, and nose. Let's start by removing the magazine. To do this, remove the bolts connecting the nose and the body. To separate the magazine and platform, remove the O-ring on the back. When separating the platform and post, push one side of the hook. Insert a tool into the slightly lifted part. Pull the spring and remove the hook. The magazine cover and body can be separated by removing the pin. We will now remove the trigger and valve set components. The trigger can be removed using a hammer and roll pin punch. The valve set components can be removed after taking out the roll pin that secures the valve set. The valve set can be easily removed using air pressure. When removing the valve set with air pressure, it may shoot out forcefully due to the strong pressure. To prevent injury and damage to parts, place an impact-absorbing material in front before removal. Now we will remove the cap components. Be careful not to damage the gasket between the cap and the body. When loosening the bolts, remove them in a diagonal sequence to avoid damaging the parts. If the head valve components inside the cap become contaminated with debris, it may cause malfunction. Always keep them clean. We will now remove the internal components of the body. This cylinder part is essential for the operation of the product. If the contact surface with the head valve becomes dirty or damaged, it can cause operational problems. Please handle with care. You can easily remove the cylinder using the principle of leverage. Using a tool, lift the cylinder as shown. Remove the cylinder, then separate the O-ring, cylinder guide, piston set, and cylinder seal. After removing the bumper, thoroughly clean the inside if there is any debris. Debris can cause air leaks and malfunction. We will now remove the nose. First, we will remove the feed piston. Use snap ring pliers to remove the snap ring. When removing the snap ring, be careful not to let the internal spring pop out. Remove the feed pawl pin to take out the feed piston. Remove the nose bolts to separate the body and nose. If the nose bolts are too tight, slightly loosen them using a hand tool before proceeding. Next, we will remove the door. Push the door pin slightly toward the inside of the nose to remove it easily. That completes the disassembly.